Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Indian yogurt mint dip. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of plain yogurt, about 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, and 1 small green chili. Don't forget a tiny piece of ginger, some roasted cumin powder, and salt. These fresh components are key to a vibrant, flavorful dip that pairs wonderfully with many Indian dishes. Now, let's get our main components ready. Begin by washing your fresh mint leaves very well, then pat them dry to prevent excess water. Next, finely chop the mint, green chili, and ginger. For the yogurt, whisk it gently in a medium-sized bowl until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. This ensures a consistent texture for your delicious dip. It's time to bring all these lovely flavors together. Carefully add your finely chopped mint, green chili, and grated ginger into the smooth yogurt. Then, sprinkle in about 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, which adds a beautiful, earthy note. Don't forget to season with salt to your liking. Gently fold everything together until it's perfectly combined and smells absolutely delightful. Almost done, give your dip a quick taste and adjust the salt or cumin powder if you feel it needs a little more zing. For the best flavor, I highly recommend chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish with a fresh mint sprig, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy this cool, refreshing dip with your favorite Indian dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.